Hello, this is Bugs Bunny Lab Group for the class Inter EGR 170. Our project was to create a device that uses capacitance to identify the species of a bug. Bob Gold is our client, and he tasked us with this problem because at the current moment there is only visual-based software that identifies the species of a bug. Bob Gold wants us to create a device that uses capacitance to output the species of a bug. It must be relatively cheap and inexpensive and be able to work under household conditions.
So our solution to find the capacitance of insects is a movable parallel plate system. So essentially on this inner plate right here, this is the bottom plate, and on the underside of this hook will be the top plate. Now the top plate is adjustable, so the user would put the bug in this little cube in the bottom plate. The bug wouldn't be able to get out, and they would then move down the top plate until it touches the bug, release, and then send a signal through an Arduino that would measure the time constant of capacitance for the given bug inside. This would then turn on the corresponding LED light to whichever bug it is, an ant or a beetle. So this is our final prototype, completely fabricated. So essentially what's going on here is, first of all, we have the main mechanism, the clamp system. So this is the bottom base. In this bottom base, we house an Arduino with two LED lights, and one of which is currently on because it's measuring the capacitance of the air. And we also have a breadboard in here with wires. Now this battery normally would be in here, but for video purposes, we're gonna keep it out just so you can visualize the power source that we're using. Now for the top clamp system, this is screwable, so I can unscrew it here, put my bug in, and move it up and down as high or as low as I need. And I can screw it back in at any time, and it'll stay where I need it. Now, these wires here, this top plate is attached was soldered to this wire right here, and this wire runs through the back into the Arduino where it connects. Now there's also another plate here in this cube, here I can raise it up, where you can see this is the bottom plate and this is the top plate. Now those plates, when you put them down, will touch each side of the bug. You'll be able to give a measure of capacitance when the Arduino charges and discharges. As of right now, you can see down here, the blue light is currently on. This blue light is currently measuring the capacitance of the air. So this is when the capacitance is greater than the threshold of capacitance for the smaller insect, the ant. So this would, if you were to put this in with a beetle, the blue light would flash on. If you were to put it in with an ant, the red light would flash on. So that's essentially how it's working right now. And that is our final prototype.
Thank you.